Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about what to do if you or somebody who you know is facing violence at home. In most of the cases of domestic violence, the victim tends not to speak up because the oppressor is somebody from their family, or if we come across somebody who we think is facing domestic violence, we still do not know how to help them. So in such situations, we must always remember the 5-step rule of recall, remember, write, reach out, and record. In this video, we are going to talk about all of these in detail. So the first step is to recall. Now, what you need to do is to sit down calmly and think about all the incidents of violence that have taken place at home. Once you have thought about this carefully, write down the details like the time of the incident, the place of the incident, and the people who were present on the spot, because these people can later act as important witnesses. Once you have recalled all of this, write it down in a safe place. Step number 2 is to remember. So once you've written down all the details, try to remember and recheck these details for accuracy. If you have, for example, mentioned that a certain incident took place a couple of days ago and your mother-in-law was present, you need to be sure that she was actually present and not out of town or somewhere else during the time of the incident, because if there is any error in the details that you have mentioned, it can be used against you in court. So to prevent that, it is very important to remember and recheck all the details that you have written down. Step number 3 is to write. So once you have recalled and remembered all the accurate details of the past incidents, write them down in a safe place. For incidents which might take place in the future, try to write down all the details as soon as possible. You can either maintain a diary or a document on your laptop, but try to keep a written record. The next step is to reach out. Now, reaching out is a very important step because when you reach out, not only are you creating a potential witness for your case in court, but you're also allowing yourself to have certain mental support, which is important in order to take your case forward. So reaching out basically means talking to a trusted friend or a family member about the incidents or abuse that you're being subjected to. As far as possible, try to communicate using SMSs or emails, which can later prove as evidence in court. The last of the 5 steps is to record. Now this is a particularly tricky step, but if done properly, carefully, and successfully, it can actually be the source of your strongest evidence in court. By record, what we mean is that try to use any electronic device, be it your phone or laptop, to record the incident of violence. Now this could be an audio or a video recording. But what you need to be careful about is that the oppressor does not catch you or find out that you're trying to record the incident, because if they do, they can turn more aggressive or cause more harm to you. So you need to be extremely careful while trying to record evidence. Please let us know if you found this video useful or if you have any queries in the comments below. In order to gain more knowledge about domestic violence and other rights of women, you can visit our Instagram page or our website www.pinklegal.in. Please share this video with every woman you know so that we can be aware of our rights and be empowered to protect ourselves. In the next video, which is the last of this 3-part series, we will be talking about legal recourses and remedies, including police complaints and court cases. So stay tuned.